Today, we're going to show you how to use a Point One Standard DevKit with the Point One Polaris RTK service. So the first thing you'll want to do is hook up your device. And then once you've done that, you'll want to download the Point One application. So go ahead and open your favorite web browser, navigate to the Point One website, and then under Resources, go to Documentation, then scroll down a bit, and then you'll see under the Point One desktop application, you can download it for your platform. Go ahead and download the application, and once it's done, install it as normal. Go ahead and launch it, and you'll be greeted with a map and a message showing you that you don't have any devices. Go ahead and now click the car icon, and then hit the Add Device button on the right. You can name your device whatever you like. I'll just call it my device 01, and then select the proper COM port. This will be different depending on your computer. You can go to Device Manager or your System Manager to see what COM ports you should use corresponding with your device. Then you'll have an option to connect GNSS corrections. You can use a Polaris API key. In order to get a Polaris API key, you can simply go back to the Point One website, log in, and then create a device. We'll create a device here called DevKit. And then when we click on the DevKit and scroll down, we'll see that there's a key for Polaris. Go ahead and copy that to your clipboard. Go back to the Point One application and paste it in. Hit the Add button, and then you'll see that the device is connected, and you'll get some checkboxes indicating that the device has successfully made a connection to the service as well. If we go back to the map panel, we'll see that the device has already achieved a fixed INS solution. This is the highest degree of accuracy available for GPS, and you can see very accurately that the vehicle is showing its position inside the building here. Furthermore, if we go back to the Point One website, we can actually see that the device that we created is registering its position here and is showing a green checkbox indicating that it is properly connected to our system. That's all you need to do to work with the standard DevKit on Point One's Polaris RTK network.